like is it doesn't actually...
So registrations has always been an issue for us. Part of the problem is we've always taken registrations from just about anybody, and a lot of people registered and they have no intent of actually coming out to the show. So what we're looking to do is to improve our process so that now you're going to pay before we even look at your registration. And I know that's kind of scary because what happens if you don't make it into the show? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to refund you the money. But this actually speeds us up in screening because we're not dealing with a whole bunch of people who register for the shows but have no intent of actually showing up. And what we've seen is a good 40% of the vehicles that register we accept, and then they never show up to the show. Maybe the cars don't get built in time. Maybe they're busy that weekend. But we want to focus really on the guys who can make it to the event. Further to that, we also find that a lot of our screening has been very difficult because they don't provide enough information into the registration, or they don't fill it out properly. So we feel that if you're going to be paying before you send your registration in, we're hoping that people are going to put in their information with all the details so we can do proper screening, right? So this is brand new for us. We're still trying a whole bunch of tools, but we'll let you know how it goes.
Okay,
Hey,
so it sends it to that link.
That's not what we want.
No, we want them back to the website.
Okay.
So we know one thing we have to fix.
Okay.
So let's go back to the form.
Well,
Or I'll switch back.
I think it's mine.
You're just the money. I use you for money.
In the past, we've registered people on, as you've known, if you've actually registered on Driven, we register people on Google Forms, and it's worked, but Google Forms just doesn't have the full capabilities of what we're looking for, especially when we want to integrate the purchase into the form process or the registration process. And because of this, we're trying a new tool called, what's it called again? Power Freeform. No, that's
No, it's not it. Where is it? Power plugins.
Power Plugins, and it's a form that it allows you to create forms and at the end do that transaction to pay for registration. So let's put in another registration and see if it adds to it.
Hold on.
Mr. Response, click here to reload.
This is our moment of truth if it edits it.